Rocket families. We're gonna make some baby's first applesauce today. Here's a recipe that you should be getting. And the ingredients are pretty simple. It's 2 cooking apples, peeled, cored and sliced, and 2/3 cups of water, 2/3 cup of water. And then we place the apples and water in a small saucepan and bring to a boil. So here I have my saucepan and my apples. Let's put my 2 cups of apples in and the water. I'm going to turn this on and then we're going to let it cook. I left the peels on to see how it would work, but it did say to take the peel off, but there's a lot of nutrients in the peels, so I'm going to try it this way and see what happens. For the small infants, I would definitely take the peeling off. If your blender or you can't, if you're mashing it with a fork or a potato masher, then you'll want to take the peeling off because I don't think it would get fine enough. If you have a mixer or a blender, some blenders get it really nice and smooth. So that's going to be up to you. And as your infant gets bigger, you can make it more chunky. So our tip today is going to make it the baby's first applesauce. So we want it real smooth and without the peelings adding any texture to it. Okay, so I'm going to pause for a moment while this cooks. So I have my apples in the pan. Whew, Miss Pay's not good at this. There you go. Starting to hot. All right, so I'm going to pause and I'll be back.